Hi everyone! We wanted to show you a cool feature on the Together CU app that you can use from your home or anywhere that you have Wi-Fi access. We're going to show you how to do mobile deposit with your checks. All you'll need today to do a mobile deposit is a phone, a check. I have my checkbook, but we're not going to use that one. We're actually going to use a fake one. This is what the front of the check looks like. I'm actually going to show you how to drive through this right now. First, you're going to open your Together CU app. You're going to type in your username and password. If this is your first time logging in, you can always save the username or opt in for facial recognition or thumb ID verification if your phone has those capabilities. Either way, just make sure that your password is safe and unique. So you're going to go ahead and open up your accounts, and you're going to go down to the bottom and select Check Deposit. Once that opens up, you're going to make sure that you want the correct account. Here, I'm just going to select Basic Checking, and then you're going to type in the amount. This fake check that we've made is for $25. You'll then be prompted to take a picture of the front of the check. So you will want to make sure that you have a contrast like a dark table and good lighting. You can use the auto capture. This might not recognize that I have a real check. So I'm going to turn off auto capture and select it, and it's going to ask me if I want to keep the picture or retake it. I'm going to select keep picture. And then it's going to ask me to make sure that the back of check is ready to go, and that I'm also going to write in for mobile deposit only in print underneath it. You'll want to keep the endorsed side on the left, and it's going to ask you if you want to keep that picture, and then you'll select deposit. It's going to take a minute to think. Once you've done it, then it's going to go ahead. So this is telling me that it can't take my check, and that's probably because it's a fake one, but that's okay. Just make sure that you hold on to that check for 1 to 3 days. You'll want to make sure that it's been successfully cleared in your account before you destroy it. And that's how you use mobile deposit. For future tips on how to use your Together CU app, make sure that you're following us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's everything. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks everyone. Bye.